How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make rooms in Geometry Dash. So I'm going to be making this simple room right here. Of course, you could customize this to whatever you want to, but in my case, I'm going to customize it this way. Now, in order to make different rooms for your Geometry Dash level, basically there's a switch that we have to use. So in order to do that, just simply click on the edit button, or I mean the build button. And then the first thing that you want to do is to just place a random block on a room where you want your character to be appearing in. So in my case, it's going to be this one. And then I'm going to simply group this to group number 1. Let's click on edit group, click extra, and then let's just select the no touch, hide, and then we should be good to go with this block right here. Now that it's a block 1, as you can see, we cannot see the block whatsoever. We can then navigate through build, triggers, and then you want to add your end trigger on the part of the room where you want the level to end. So it's going to be here in my case. I'm going to click on touch trigger, and then I'm good with that one. Now, of course, let's go ahead and add some additional blocks in order to make our level better. And then finally, let's head over to the triggers. And then the only thing that we have to look for is the start position. In my case, I'm going to start with this specific room right here. And then the other option is going to be the teleport trigger. So just go ahead and look for it on this section. Basically, it's going to look something like this. Just place it in a room where you want your level to progress. So of course, in my case, it's going to be this one, or in this port. Let's now click on edit object, select the group ID. In my case, it's going to be group ID number 1, touch trigger, and then let's click on OK. And so if we hit on the play button, our character will simply start right here. And then if we play through our level, my character will then teleport from one room to another. And then finally, if we touch the end trigger itself, the level will end. So that's how you make rooms in platformer levels in Geometry Dash. Obviously, you could customize your level to whatever you want to. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.